Hi, I'm Ashley with EHM, and today I'm here to talk about our brand new bamboo charcoal toothpaste. Now this toothpaste comes also with a toothbrush. It is a bamboo based toothpaste. It does come out black, however it does not leave your teeth black or any residue. When you put it on your toothpaste and you start working it into your mouth, it definitely is more of a foamy type of toothpaste, so it foams up really nice. And I've been using it the last 2 weeks and my teeth have definitely become whiter. The stains have been less visible. It also is a mint flavor, so it doesn't leave your breath smelling bad. It's a nice refreshing scent. And if you would like to order one, or go on our website at EHM and also on our Amazon page. Have a nice day. Okay, I'm back with a 3-week update on our bamboo charcoal toothpaste as well as the toothbrush. This toothbrush bristles are very soft, great if you have sensitive teeth like I do, and sensitive gums. On the back here, you do have a tongue cleaner. This brush has been very nice to brush with. Now the bamboo charcoal toothpaste, like I mentioned in the previous video, it does come out black. However, it does foam up very nicely when you are brushing your teeth. And it has a really nice mint flavor that is not too overbearing compared to other toothpaste. And I use this every single day, and I've been using it for about the last 3 weeks. And I have definitely noticed my smile has become brighter. The stains from drinking coffee have become less. And just overall, I've been really impressed with both of these used together. And if you would like to get your own, you can go over to our store at ehmstore.com or on our Amazon page. Thank you.